Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our crypto live stream, YouTube crypto live stream. So today, guys, I'll be showing with you exactly how I'm trading the market, where are the targets for Bitcoin. If you've got into Bitcoin, where are some targets to take profit, some pullbacks that I might look to get into Bitcoin. We'll be looking at all the altcoins that we're trading in the Rockstar trading group, some of the entries where we're looking to get in, where we're looking to sell, some of the coins that I haven't broken out. So we're looking at everything. I do this couple of times on YouTube as well. I try and do one every other month free on YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Watch the full live stream, guys. If you are interested in trading cryptocurrency, really important you watch this. I'll share with you exactly when to take profit. Lots of people get into Bitcoin, trade with emotion, sell quickly, then buy, FOMO in, sell at the bottom. Or they get into, Ethereum. Let's say you got in really early, but you don't sell, let it pump, and then come back and you make wrong decisions. So hopefully this video will help you make the right decisions. So yeah, good evening, Veronica. Hey, Razi. Hopefully we'll have a really good live stream. Any questions, let me know. I'll stay live for about an hour or so. And then, yeah, we'll have a really good live stream. LA, hello, my friend DH. So let me just quickly post in the Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram groups that I'm live. And then we'll spend about an hour or so. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. We'll spend an hour or so in the live stream. And in the meantime, if you have any questions now about cryptocurrency or any questions, let me know. LTC, yes, Litecoin has been an amazing trade. So if Ronique, have you been following our Litecoin trades? We've been trading Litecoin since down at 65. We've had lots of new fans as well. So welcome everyone. Oh, great. That's good to. Hopefully you've taken some profits. That's the key thing I would say. The key thing I would say is make sure you take some profit. Crypto bull, yes, I'll share with you on Litecoin. I'll share with you exactly how I'm looking to trade Litecoin. Litecoin's been amazing, so yes, I'll spend time talking through exactly how I'm trading Litecoin. Litecoin, I mean, if you've not, are you in Litecoin or are you just asking for targets? How are you looking to trade Litecoin? So if you're in Litecoin, I'll share with you some targets of how to take profit or where to look to get in. If you're not in Litecoin, I can share with you other ways to get into Litecoin. Thanks, Ronique. I really appreciate it. Thank you. This is the reason why I do this live streams, this YouTube. If I can help one person make money and ideally not lose money, there's lots of people losing money, which I hate to see. So especially not to scams. Long time from me, I'll share that with you. I mean, Litecoin fundamentally, I'm not a big fan as I was recently. I used to be a massive fan of Litecoin. I mean, I've shared that. Watch the latest video on Litecoin. I'll touch on it today on this video. So I'm just posting the links everywhere and then I'll go live. So post it on Facebook, posting in Telegram. So you can join those groups as well. There's lots of free groups as well you can check out. XLM, yes, I'll do that. I'll do XLM. I've not traded XLM, by the way. I've not got the best entry in XLM, so completely honest about that, but I'll have a look at XLM in detail. I'll share with you exactly. Joshua, hello, my friend. Joshua, welcome to the live stream. Hopefully you're having a good day, my friend. Make sure most people are in those coins. You should be mainly just in those coins. I'll be making a very important video probably, I'm not sure exactly when. Maybe I'll have to let you guys know when I make that video. Maybe end of tomorrow or Tuesday, I'll drop a video where I'll talk about how to, invest. If you have $1,000, how to invest that. It's really important, having some money in those major cryptocurrencies. Right, we've got about 50 people. Let's get started. Can I just get a thumbs up that you can hear me well before I get started? Just a thumbs up. You can hear me well, you can see me well. I'm using a new microphone, so hopefully the sound is okay. And I'll look at answer any questions that you have, so don't worry about that. Just let me know that you can hear me well, the screen's okay, and I'll just a thumbs up although you can hear me well before I start talking for about an hour. Awesome. Yeah, sounds like you can hear me well, so I shall get started. Yeah, Zilliqa, at the moment, I probably prefer Zilliqa. Zilliqa is amazing. I'll look at Zilliqa as well, Veronica. I'll buy some Zilliqa. I'm still on some Zilliqa. Daniel, one of our YouTube members. Hello, Daniel. Hopefully you're well, my friend. Right, so let's get started. And if you enjoy the video, you don't have to give thumbs up now. If you enjoy the video, make sure you smash that like button. Last time we breached 100. Let's see if we can get there. But if you enjoy the video, that's it. So Bitcoin, guys, let's do high time frame. So high time frame, guys, Bitcoin has hit all-time high and has almost doubled Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke above 20k. If you guys, again, I'll probably have to ban. Anyone want free XLM? I don't really know about that. Please don't scam anyone on here. I want to concentrate on sharing with you the best analysis. So I highly recommend you go watch this video. If you haven't watched this video, please go watch this video. I made this video 3 weeks ago. People ask about buying Bitcoin, buying dips. Please watch this video. Bitcoin, once it broke out of 20k, that was a big trading opportunity. It broke out. I've been taking profit as it's been going up. Theta, I love Theta. I'll talk about Theta. As long as Bitcoin trend is up, I'll be looking to take profit because institutions are not buying Bitcoin at 40k. They're not buying Bitcoin whilst this rally is happening. They'll be looking to buying Bitcoin, during this pullback. This was the last dip. This is when, people got scammed out, the newbies got scared, and this is where all the institutions were buying. Trust me, they're not buying at this level. I don't know when the Bitcoin top's going to be. I don't know whether it's going to be 50,000, whether it's going to be 100,000, then we're going to get the dip. But what I do know is there's going to be a dip. If we study the Bitcoin price history from back in, as early, let me go back and share with you as early as we can go, if we go back and study Bitcoin as early as 2011, we'll always see Bitcoin has dipped. It has gone parabolic, but it has always given us, 70, 80% dip there. We've had a 85% dip there. More recently, since 20k, we dumped 80% to 4k. And then we had that 14k to a brutal dip to 4k again. So we've always had these dips. There's going to be a dip, a 20%, 30% correction, but we don't know now. So that's great, Rocko. You're telling me that it could go this high or it could go low. What to do? So the way I've been trading, again, watch that video. This is not an after the fact. I'll share with you some of the trades that I've taken exactly on the group, what levels and entries. I know lots of people are excited on that, so I'll share that. But what I will say is that people that, have been watching my YouTube channel, they can probably vouch for it. What I will say now is, look to get in some. If we get a 10% dip in Bitcoin, look to buy it. Have a plan. Look to set a plan of 20% dip, 30% dip. And I'll be sharing with you a level that I'm looking to buy. And the last level that I shared, I'll share that with you guys as well. So how I traded last time, and then I'll be sharing with you how I'll be looking to trade a pullback now. So give me a couple of minutes to find that post. XRP, yes, I'll have a look at XRP. So this is the post. So, when Bitcoin dumps, people don't buy it. People don't buy Bitcoin when it's at 20k. They want to buy it when Bitcoin's at 40k. That's how it works. No one was talking about Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 3, 4k when we were looking to long. I personally have been longing Bitcoin from 10k. People not been longing then. People want to buy it when things are up here. And again, when we get a dip, even if we get a dip now, most of you won't buy it. You'll be like, oh, I think it goes lower. Then you miss out. Then when the price goes up, you FOMO in. So one of the questions I asked is, do you actually buy the dip? That will be my question. Did any of you, there's 60 people watching this live stream. Did any of you buy the dip? For me, the plan was, the last dip that we had, these were the buy zone levels that I shared, and you can see the price was around 29k, and this is where I got in. I can share that with you exactly. This is where I got in, 28 to 29k, and this was posted, as you can see, 4th of January. This was this dip we had 4th of January, and I longed this dip. And I could have been wrong. Trading doesn't mean I have to be right. I'm going to look to long a dip towards 32k, 33k now if it dumps. From a trading point of view, we could be looking for trading scalping. I might spend some time looking about some scalping. I might not get a chance to do this. There's obviously lots of altcoins we've got to go through. But it's really important to actually, yep, awesome, Enrico. That's what we like to hear. Yeah, I think the dip, Joshua, I'll answer your question about the dip, but let me just share with you from a trading point of view now. So now, guys, if Bitcoin starts trend changing, this is support level. I don't want this to lose. If Bitcoin dumps this, I think it goes towards 32k. This will be a pullback setup for me to short it if people are looking to short it. If we are looking for longs, I would wait for a trend change. This would be a longing opportunity for me. I'll have my stop below there, see if we can long it. And if it breaks out after 40k, yes, Ravin, that's what I like to hear, my friend. Make sure you have a strategy. I'm not trying to sell, whether you buy my strategy or have your own strategy. If you don't have a strategy, guys, human emotions, we're not, meant to be making money. You'll lose money. And that's, if you learn one thing from me, try to learn that. That's what I will, if I could teach you one thing, that would be my only recommendation. So that's a trade setup. These are two trade setups I'm looking for. If you've not got any Bitcoin, I would just buy the pullback. If I'm at my desk and it's breaking out, I've got my alert set. I'll post in the group when I'm going long, and above 42k I look to long it. And I'm not sure how high it will go. Same plan as this. When I bought this dip, I sold Bitcoin here. That was my first target. Then I let it run. I sold Bitcoin at 40k. Those were my targets, and leave 25% to run. And this is exactly what I've been doing since 10k in consolidations, in pullbacks. I look to buy some, take profit, and my win percentage won't be as high as it is now. My win percentage, because the way the market is lots of people are making money now that won't make money if we get the dip. No, you didn't. Yeah, make sure you can learn from it, and also enjoy yourself as well. You need to, don't get upset with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and money. You need to look for your happiness as well. But what we are looking for in Bitcoin now is, trading point of view, whether if we get above 42k or above 39k, I'll be looking to long. If we get a sharp dip, if we just keep going down like this, I won't buy this dip. That's not my strategy. If I get a sharp dip where people get excited and people start dumping, I want to buy when you guys, and unfortunately you guys, I say, most people, the public, are scared, because public in trading, most people lose money. That's how I'm going to trade Bitcoin. Hopefully that makes sense. There's loads of YouTube channels talking about trading, to 100k and crazy predictions and what they want to do, but I don't think not many people actually share when they're buying and selling. So I absolutely hodl Bitcoin. I'll be making a Bitcoin. Again, I have got a Bitcoin trading and investing strategy video on YouTube. I made that start of last year. I'll make another one, and I talk about hodling Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the only coins that I hodl, and by hodl I mean I get in on pullbacks. I got in on a pullback here, and this was posted live. Yeah, exactly. Marcus have got it, and if you don't take profit, if it starts dumping, when will you sell? And I know lots of people, I've in 20k, 2017, I didn't trade as well. I didn't take profits as much. I should have taken profits. I think it was 12 to 14k my average sales were. No one's going to sell the top unless you're a whale. No one's going to sell the top. And I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. Again, sell 25%, sell half if we get a dip. So the question I asked this with the group, I did a educational series with the group. I do this live stream 3 to 4 times a week, go through strategy. One of the questions I asked is to, train traders is, if Bitcoin just dumped to 10K now, would you be upset? How would you feel? Write down how you would feel. And then write down, if Bitcoin pumps to 60K, 100K, how would you feel? And if you write down how you'd feel, so if Bitcoin just dumps to 10K and you haven't sold anything and you've bought Bitcoin above 20K, you'll be really, really upset. You would be very, very upset. And if you just sell everything, my plan is, I always said, I've probably sold more than 50% of that. And if Bitcoin goes to 100K now, I would have made money if I just held everything. But I don't know if Bitcoin's going to 100K. I'll hold some for it to go to 100K, but who knows? People called me crazy when I said Bitcoin's going to go to 100K. My first plan to buy the dip was 20K. We didn't get it. This is the only dip I got, and others were buying breakouts. And now I'm looking at this zone, the daily moving average lining up, few things lining up for this buy the dip opportunity. I don't know if I'll get it or not, but that will be a buy the dip opportunity for me. If I don't get it, if it just goes down, I'll probably exit. I really don't want Bitcoin to start getting below 28K. For me, 28K is quite an important level. And long time frame, so Joshua's question of what's going to happen with Bitcoin. If we just study what has happened, and you could study Tesla, you can study gold, there's usually a huge consolidation time frame. And I would say Bitcoin, this was about a year Bitcoin just consolidated. Previously, we can look at Bitcoin consolidations. It took about 2 years. So when that high does go in, whether it's 60K, 100K, no one knows. If someone's telling you they know, run for the miles. They don't know what they're talking about. I would think it would be at least, depending on how high it goes as well. So I think if it dips now, this could still be a dip and then we push higher. But if we just spike up to 60K now and then starts dumping, then that could be a top. At the moment, if you ask me, this could be the top, but if I had to bet whether it's the top or not, I don't think this is the top. I think the top would be, tops usually when it spikes out, you get euphoria. I've shared that chart hundreds of times. I don't think. And that's another thing, Coinbase Pro, all the exchanges will go down as well when Bitcoin tops. I joked about it, but that's what will happen. So any more questions on Bitcoin, guys, before I shoot away? I like doing this YouTube live streams as well. I just get to, help people that, just casual traders as well. Any questions on Bitcoin? Yeah, if you feel sad, I've sold quite a bit, and I'm looking to spend it on a nice holiday with my girlfriend, or spend it on a house, buy property. So I won't be that sad. I'll look to buy more. Yeah, I don't think it would. I mean, if it tops, if it puts a top in, then yeah, it could go a lot lower. But I would definitely look to buy 20K. You don't have to say sorry. You should be sorry for yourself and learn from it. Thank you, Leba. I really appreciate it. So I don't feel like I'm getting many questions on Bitcoin, so I'll start looking at some other coins. And again, if you guys are enjoying it, there's 74 people. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes. That would be an amazing goal. If I get to 100 likes, I'll do another live stream next month like this. So smash that like button if you're enjoying the content. So let's have a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, one of the biggest bets I took, and I've been trading 6-7 years. I've been lost money, made money, and I still I had FOMO in this trade. So I bought Ethereum above $400, and again, you can watch previous videos. Lots of people in the group have traded Ethereum around these levels. These were two very important levels, and I took a big position on Ethereum above $400. And I got stopped out in this position because it went up, and look what it did. First time it got above 400, and I got stopped out when it got below here. Oh, Robin, thank you very much. Thank you, Veronica. Thank you. Yeah, we'll have a look at the weekly close. I'll review Bitcoin at the end. Yeah, I love you as well. So what I'm looking for is Ethereum. So Ethereum I closed, and then when it got back in, I jumped back in. I'm happy to stopped out. You know, if Bitcoin breaks out about 42k and then dumps, I'll get stopped out. If you're not prepared to lose money, then you're never gonna make money. That's another, you know, lesson that people don't probably know about trading. So Ethereum, that's how I traded Ethereum. Again, my first big target was 500. Then the main target was 800. I sold some, and now we're just letting it run. 1,000. We took another Ethereum position above 1,000. I can share that with you actually. Let me see if I can share that. So if you search in our group, Telegram group, this is our messenger group. You can see all the posts I've made. Yeah, I do think. I mean, I want to wait for Ethereum to plan out first before I jump in. So what I mean is, I want Ethereum to actually break into new highs before I jump in. Because if Ethereum doesn't break out, this could be. Thank you. You've got a sexy name, right? So Ethereum, I can't seem to find the post. But what I will say is, looking at Ethereum, I would look to take profit now in Ethereum. I want Ethereum to break out into new highs of above 1,400. That's when I'll jump back into Ethereum. Same as Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin I sold about 19 to 20k. When it broke out, I jumped back in with extra capital. That's exactly what I'll do. I don't think this is the top. I've sold Bitcoin. Exactly, that's another thing. So I mean, I'll touch on that why I like Bitcoin a lot more than Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, I would look to buy a pullback to 1,000k. If it dumps to here, I would a pullback zone. I'd look to buy Ethereum, and I've been taking profits. You know, that $400 trade I took, I didn't just hold all of it. I did not do that. If I did that, you know, I'd be way richer than I am now. But, you know, that's not how trading works. You need to have targets, you need to take profit. So Ethereum, as you can see, where was this entry? I think it was just above $1,000. The recent Ethereum trade I posted. This was breakout out of 1,500. This is where I took a new Ethereum position. Again, sold half at previous highs. As you guys know, this was the 4-hourly pullback in Ethereum that I took. Let me find that 4 hour. Was it 4 hours? Hourly pullback. This was the hourly pullback in Ethereum. This pullback I got in, sold half here, and now I'm still in. That's how I traded Ethereum. So the way I would look to trade Ethereum is, again, I'd look to take profit around 13,000 to 14,000, the previous highs. If we see what Bitcoin, like Ethereum does, what Bitcoin did, come here and break out above, just buy. Have a limit stop order there. It could spike you and do this. It could, and then you take a loss, but you have to risk your money. If you don't risk money, you're not making money. That's the first lesson that I teach in my strategy is risk management and psychology, because that's all trading is. My strategy is simple: support, resistance, moving averages, and Fibonacci's and RSI to help us, but it's mainly using price action and psychology. So Ethereum, look to take profit now. If it pulls back to 1,000, I'd look to trade some. And if it breaks into new highs, I'll trade it. One of the key things I'm looking for is Ethereum BTC. This is where I move some more capital into Ethereum, because Ethereum BTC is looking bullish. Previously, when Bitcoin rallied in 2017, Ethereum rallied after. So I think I did a video on this, maybe in the group live stream I did. Bitcoin topped out. And then Ethereum topped out after. So you can see, I think Bitcoin topped out earlier and Ethereum topped out few weeks after. So the importance of that is Ethereum can rally after Bitcoin has topped out. So I think Ethereum could rally. Do I think Ethereum BTC will hit new highs? I'm not sure. But if Ethereum BTC starts breaking out of 4,000 Satoshi, I'm going to move more capital into Ethereum, and I think then we can have a nice rally in Ethereum. If Ethereum, write this down, maybe I'll do a snippet video. And I know most people that are watching, if you're new to trading, you probably don't understand how all this works. You probably won't take advantage of it. The Litecoin trade was very simple. Zilliqa, ADA were a couple of other calls on this YouTube channel. I share exactly which levels I'm looking to get in and out. Ethereum, if Ethereum BTC gets back above 4,000 Satoshi and Ethereum is above 1,400, I'll look to buy Ethereum. That will be my plan. So, and if Ethereum performs well, I'm seeing lots of altcoin requests. I'll look at all of them. I'll be here for at least over an hour. I'll look at all your, I'll answer all your requests. Especially look at XRP and ADA and all of that. And there's a couple of coin requests from my group as well. So like GRT and there's few requests. I'll have a look at all of them. So that's the plan. Write down my plan for Ethereum, and I could be wrong, and I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll put my hand up. Most people, YouTubers and traders, they don't trade. They're not got any trade. They just talk about going up and down, and they've been calling XRP to go to $1 since since 2017, and XRP's just been going sideways. And I'll look at XRP in a second, but I want to share with you plans, and if I'm wrong, I'll put my hand up. My job's to make money. I'm not here to be right or wrong. I want to make money, enjoy my freedom. The goals that I want to achieve. I want to achieve my goals. Go on holidays, have fun with my family, my girlfriend. I don't want to be right on YouTube. I made a video on Litecoin. As long as Litecoin's above 150, I'm bullish. I'm still holding some Litecoin. This was a nice 4-hour pullback to go long. Perfect RSI. My setup wise, it was perfect because it pulled back to my moving average, pulled back to my Fibonacci at a key level 150, which was previous 2019 high. This was just a perfect trade. Sell half there, and as long as it's about 150, I'm long. Watch my YouTube video on my thoughts on Litecoin project long time frame. What I will say on Litecoin is, Litecoin, there's a narrative. I'm repeating myself from the YouTube video earlier, but there is a narrative in Litecoin that Litecoin is a silver to Bitcoin is gold. And when newbies jump in, there's lots of newbies joining. Yeah, you can, Ravin. If you send me an email, my emails, you can find my email below this video, or you can just send me a contact form. You can send me an email, and then crypto, you can join as well. I'll send you the information if you want to do it that way. So Litecoin. So there's a narrative in Litecoin that if Litecoin is Bitcoin, Bitcoin is gold, Litecoin is silver. And if that's the case, newbies coming into cryptocurrency, I'm sure you've had messages from your friends. My friends are messaging me now about Bitcoin and XRP. So, when XRP had that big breakout, they said, oh, Bitcoin's already pumped, I'm buying XRP because Bitcoin's already pumped, Bitcoin's too expensive, I think XRP will go that high. That's how newbies think, and I don't blame them. If you were new, you probably thought like that as well. You didn't think like a trader. So that's why I think Litecoin can pump. And what I want to see, if I'll go more into Litecoin, if Litecoin BTC starts breaking. At the moment, Litecoin BTC is not going up. If you guys remember previously, the Litecoin, huge rallies in Litecoin in 2017, and all those rallies we had with Litecoin halving, Litecoin BTC was going up a lot against Litecoin BTC. So that is something that I will be looking at as well. So let's look at XRP. Lots of requests on XRP. So I'll share with you first how I'm trading it, how I traded XRP. So this 37 level break, and sometimes I don't trade, and that's why I don't sell, say join my group, you'll make money. My job is long time frame, your capital grows. And if you're learn how to scalp, I'll share how I do it. And if you put the work in, you can scalp and make it your job and be a millionaire and all that. But I want to make sure that you can protect your capital and take advantage of this huge move that we've seen in Bitcoin. XRP, the biggest trade I took was above 30 cent. And I think there's a YouTube video just with the title 30 cent on XRP. That was a trade I took. I sold half at 50, sold another half at 70, and I got stopped out in my position at 42. And this was, I think it was this video, I can't remember exactly which one it was. Bitcoin's taking a bit of a hit now. I might be able to do some live trade, but what I will look is, I can't remember which video it was, but it was I think it was a Swell event. Was it a Swell? Sorry, SEC lawsuit. I think it was this video I share. What now? And I share that I actually sold XRP before the SEC news. So I didn't know the SEC news was going to come, and lots of people joined my group after that. They thought I'm a great trader, but it was a bit of a luck. And then it dumped. And my plan when I sold this is this was before the SEC news. I said I would buy XRP at 30 cent, but because of the SEC news, again, this is again in the video, I didn't buy this one because I was just too scared. I didn't know if it was going to dump or it was going to go up. I don't want to risk my capital if I don't know what's happening. You could buy some, if you're investing, if you love it, then you could. If you think Ripple's going to settle with SEC and all of that, you could look to get in. But I wasn't too interested. Then my only trade was here when XRP broke out of 25 cent. I posted this setup in our trading group. This was simply a trade. I think if you 30 cent, or was it 35 cent and 50 cent were the two targets. It hit the first target. I mean, if it starts getting below 25 cent now, I'd probably sell XRP again from a trading point of view, but I'm not in XRP. If it breaks out above here, I'll look to pump. So that is what I'm looking for in XRP at the moment. One of the real biggest lessons, and maybe I'll comment here as well, trading, let me comment this and I'll try to help you guys with this. I can't spend as much time, but this is one of the most important thing that you can learn. Trading against, there's a lot of selling coming up. Ethereum's not dumping as much. Bitcoin's taking a big hit. What a time to do a live stream. I could be trading now. If it comes into 32, 33 zone, I'd look to buy some. I might have to cancel, go off stream for a bit. See what I do for you guys. I'm live streaming. But if this dip get bought up really quickly, I would like it. There will be another bounce. I'm pretty sure there will be. 32 to 33 is where I'm looking at. My alerts going on. I'm just getting signal alerts on my phone. Ethereum's pulling back as well. I don't want Ethereum to, yeah, Ethereum's yeah, I should get off live stream and trade. Ethereum BTC is going well. This is what I like to see. This is good for altcoins. Altcoins are not taking as much a beating then. Okay, sorry, where was I? So yeah, let me just trading against altcoin BTC versus altcoin USD. This is a lesson. I'm gonna release a video in the group next week on trading, altcoin trading template for me, trading altcoin season template. Because if Bitcoin tops out now, I don't think, I mean, I'm not calling it a top now. We've seen dumps like this, and I don't make money by calling it a top. If Bitcoin does dump here, and I think we'll get a bounce and it can't break out into new highs and break below, then maybe. But at the moment, this is too early for me, in my strategy anyway. I'd rather buy and get stopped out and lose money. So I'll release that in the group next week, trading altcoin season, because if we do have Bitcoin, it is fine. What was I going to say? So XRP BTC, so XRP USD has gone up. You know, people are saying, no, XRP USD has almost, since that dump, what is going on? Since the dump, XRP USD. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Veronica. I really appreciate that. I think you're the first person to donate on YouTube. I didn't think people could. Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. But again, what I'm looking at in XRP, thank you very much, Veronica. I'll send you a special email. So what I would look for is an XRP has gone up 100% against BTC recently, against USD, but XRP BTC is still getting slaughtered. XRP BTC is down. Since the XRP USD pump, XRP BTC is down 83%. So that means that if you had your money in Bitcoin rather than XRP, you'd be up 80%. You won't be down 80%. That is huge for me. And you know, people that are all in XRP, the XRP army, again, I don't want to get involved in that. I want XRP to succeed. I want Bitcoin to succeed. I want everyone to succeed. But XRP BTC is down 80%. That is crazy. Since November, that is late November. So in the past month or so, XRP is down 83%. So if all your money is in XRP, if you had it in BTC, you won't be down 80%. You'd be up that much. So that's a lesson. I've just commented that now because I really want to drive that point home. If I can teach you one thing from today, again, psychology and risk management is the first thing, but that is a really important thing. You can see the dip getting bought up now. See how quickly the dip got bought up. It didn't even come into my level to buy, and I'm doing the live stream, but I'll have to probably wait for this setup, or ideally 42 could be a quick move. It would be a really quick move above there. So learn that lesson. That's a really good lesson to learn. And if you're new, you probably didn't learn as much. So ADA, so let's start looking at that. So again, I get lots of questions like that. I've been buying Ethereum at 400. I shared with you a trade that I bought at 1,000. If you've never had any Ethereum in your life, you know, you could look to buy some now, just little. If you have $10,000 to invest, buy some. What I would look for is if we get back above 1,400, then you could look to buy, or a dip towards 1,000. But you know, we might not get that. It's very difficult to say, oh, where shall I buy? Shall I wait? What is your strategy? Are you in trading in the 5-minute time frame? Where is your stop loss? What are you targeting? So yeah, it's really important to know that. So let's have a look at ADA. Well, we've got 140 people watching. That is amazing, guys. Thank you very much. We might be able to get to 100 likes today. That is amazing. That helps out a lot. I mean, you don't have to, again, I really appreciate it, Veronica. If you have any questions, let me know, or send me an email, Veronica. I really appreciate that, that you've donated big. And you don't have to donate. You don't have to join my group. I'd really appreciate if you just smash that like button. Okay, so let's carry on. So Cardano, I've traded Cardano as well. If you go at the bottom of the video, you'll see the links to the things that I use. From Africa. Hello, Chris Berner. Welcome. Ronique, you're a good trader, my friend. Buy when not everyone else is buying. So Cardano, I bought Cardano above 20 cent, and you can watch that video. Which Cardano video that is? I believe that is in the top 5 videos. I've not made a Cardano video. I need to make a Cardano video. I would look to buy, watch this video. I shared with you my Cardano trade. I bought Cardano here. I've sold half in Cardano in profit at 30 cent. But Cardano BTC is not looking as great. If Cardano BTC starts getting below 700 level, I would look to sell. South Africa, we've got people from all over the world. We're getting close to 100 likes as well. That is amazing, guys. You know, when I used to first do these live streams, I'd get like 10, 20 people. 100 concurrent people watching. That is amazing. Where is everyone from? Africa? Have we got someone from Asia? Have we got from South America? In our group, we've got such a wide diversity. We've got people from South America, in India. We've got people from the Philippines. Quite a few people from, you know, Europe, UK and America and Canada. It's an amazing community. London, hello my friend, close to home. London, Portugal, Boston, Joshua, I already know that, hopefully well, Joshua. Yakshamash, Ed Sarah. My girlfriend's Eastern European. Bristol, India, yeah, that's amazing. We've got people from everywhere. Jamaica, that's awesome. So the way I traded Cardano is I got in Cardano above 20 and I sold at 30 cent. I'm still in half in Cardano. So people are saying how I'm trading. I'm still half in Cardano. France, bonjour. I love traveling and learning about people, different cultures. So this is what that's what my thoughts are. I mean, targets, I'll make a Cardano video specifically. I think 40 cent was my huge target. If it breaks out, I don't think it will just go up like this. I think it would dip at 40 cent. And then if it breaks out, I would look to get in. Tikal, Australia. Is this a good time for Australia? I don't think, because I've got a couple of traders from Australia. I don't think this is a good time for. He usually joins when I do it in the UK morning time. He can't join this live stream. What time is it in Australia, Tikal? El Cuco, I've done a long XRP analysis. If you scroll back, you'll see it. Yes, I said we can go to Amsterdam together, or we'll go do a group meetup. Especially if Bitcoin, the way Bitcoin is going, we'll after this lockdown, we'll go on a nice holiday. Greetings for Spain. Yeah, I stayed in Barcelona for a few months whilst I was trading. Trade the opportunities you get. Yeah, that's what I mean. He doesn't really join this live stream. Hello, Ad. Singapore. Yeah, that's some awesome people. Right, so Cardano, that's my plan. So someone who asked about Cardano. XLM, so I haven't traded XLM. So XLM, I want XLM BTC to get back above, get back above 1200 or 1000. Then I'll look to buy XLM. XLM, obviously they've got some massive news. Thank you, Veronica. XLM. Let's have a look. XLM USD. So again, I'm quickly going through these because my live stream, I might do a 2-hour live stream once, but live streams go quickly. So this was a sort of a buy level for me, this 4-hour pullback that I shared. It's jumped now 20%, so I would have taken some off. And now if it doesn't quickly get back above and starts getting below 25 cent again, I think it could dip towards 20 to 18 cent level. So XLM, in my opinion, I don't like buying pumps like this unless I'm in it. I can sell it. I don't like buying pumps like this. And the other strategy would be, wait for a trend change. If there's a resistance there. I don't really trade trend lines. I use trend lines. Yeah, definitely. We had yeah, Amsterdam was a lot of fun. I've got a really good story. I might tell you another time. I was in Amsterdam when the Chinese news came out of China's president talked about Bitcoin, I believe. I think it was, where was it? I think it was here. Was it here? I think it was this pump. I was in Amsterdam. Yeah, I was in Amsterdam in October 2019, and I was out when it happened, and I got out to sell, and I bought lots of people drinks. When China announced it, all my alerts started going off and people started messaging me, and I sold around, I think 9.5, 10K. I sold a lot of Bitcoin because obviously no pumps like this is sustainable. About a 30% pump. That's my Amsterdam story. And look at what happened. It gave all of it back. Right, so XLM, that's my thoughts on XLM. Let me actually, Bitcoin Cash, people in my group requested Bitcoin Cash, so let me have a look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is breaking out. Let me have a look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is breaking key resistance against BTC as well. So the next 4-hour pullback or anything that I get, I'd look to long it. And I really wouldn't want it to lose support. So this is a support level on the 4-hourly that I like. And I'm not going into full analysis on this. I'll do another live stream for my group members tomorrow or Tuesday. Tuesday's our usual live stream. Thanks, Leo. Appreciate it. But yeah, Bitcoin Cash, I really wouldn't want it to break below this level against BTC. Let me have a look at Bitcoin Cash USD for you guys. I don't know where I've got my chart analysis. This is not a coin that I trade as much, as you can see. All my charts are usually ready, but this one isn't. I don't usually trade this one. It's not a coin that I like. I'll just have to open up any chart and then just talk about it. So this is broken out. My setup would be buying this pullback. If you love Bitcoin Cash, buy some now. If it pulls back, my buy zone is 520 to 500, and this was shared this morning. This was my plan, as you can see. Buy level 500. This was this morning. GRT is on the list. I'll have a look at GRT next. So this is Bitcoin Cash. I don't like this fundamentally, so I don't really trade this much. Sorry, Tezos. Someone requested Tezos. Joshua, I don't know if you're still live, Joshua. Right, we're really close to that 100 likes. Let's see if we can get to 100. There's 129 people watching, so hopefully we can get 27 more likes and break that 100k resistance. If we break 100k resistance, what will be the next target for this live stream likes? Tezos, from a Tezos BTC point of view, I just think it's going sideways for now. It's not really my setup. Tezos BTC, I'm not really liking it. I want it above 900, but at the moment Tezos BTC is going sideways. It's not bad. It could be setting up. Tezos USD is not looking too bad. I think you were looking to sell Tezos. So Tezos USD, as long as it's above $2.50, I like it. If it starts getting below this red zone, similar to I shared about ADA, I would look to exit this. So At the moment, it's just going sideways. If it dips into, maybe $2, there might be a scalp trade. If it dumps to $1, I'd look to buy. Or if it, starts getting back above $3, that will be a breakout for me. I'd look to trade it. But at the moment, fundamentally, I really like this. But unless I see something, I'm not going to be able to say I'm really bullish on it. $3, as you can see, is a 50% Fibonacci. So above $3, I might be looked to get in. So that's my plan. Let me just finish off. I think there's a few more requests. I forgot to post in one of the groups, one of my Facebook groups, the free Facebook group, unfortunately. So that's Bitcoin Cash, that's Tezos. It completely depends. I'm in a Bitcoin trade from 10K, but that's not a leverage trade. If it's leverage, it's usually a short time frame. If it's a more of a, spot trading or swing trading, I can hold it. I've got a trade from 10K. This is the first time I went long in Bitcoin with the group. Facebook group, I'll leave the links below. I can post it now if you guys are interested. I'll talk about it at the end of the video if you guys are interested about the group. RSR, yeah, there's lots of people buying RSR in my group. I've not got the best entry in RSR. Right, let me stay on track before I get distracted. Lots of comments coming at me quickly. So let me quickly go through the requested coins and then I'll look at more coins. So Atom, one of the members requested Atom. Let's have a look at Atom BTC. Again, Atom BTC I don't like. Apologies for, again, I'd spend a lot more time going through every coins usually. On live stream, it's a bit difficult when you've got, there's about 20-30 people. It's easier to answer every questions, but try and stay back and answer questions. So Atom USD from a high time frame, $8 looks to be big resistance. So yeah, above $8, look to buy it. This is giving you a potential setup now, playing off this $5.50 support. But for me, I'll get interested in is this a reversal happening now for BTC? Yeah, this is the dip. I didn't get to buy the dip. I would have bought this dip here. At the moment, this is looking okay. Even if it just dumps, if it dips into there again, I might look for a setup. But I want to see, I won't just blindly buy it. If it was coming here, I would have blindly bought it, Marcus. When it pumps in front of my level, I want to see a bit more before I just jump in. Or I would, wait for a trend change above. So we've got a pullback now. This is a crazy hourly candle, isn't it? So for me to buy now, if we see something like this and then break out, I would look to buy a pullback, have a stop loss there. But yeah, if you guys scroll this video out, you would see that, the buy zone that I shared was here. Unfortunately, it didn't come into my level. Last time it came into my level, I got filled. I'm already in so much Bitcoin positions. I don't need to FOMO. And if you've not bought Bitcoin, I said, buy this dip. At the moment, I'm happy to lose. One of the times I'll say I'm buying this dip, I'll lose money, I'll get stopped out. But, I've been saying that since 10K. That is what trading is about. Let me go through the coins. So Atom, GRT, few people requesting GRT. Let me have a look at GRT. This is the Coinbase pumpy coin. So GRT USD, yeah. I don't like buying coins that are just like this. I like to buy coins that are like boom, boom sort of thing. I talked about GRT when it was pumping. This is not my setup at the moment. And I can already say GRT BTC won't be very good either. Yeah. I actually said, this is a buy level, but if it's looking like this, I would sell. I think I said in the live stream, yeah, buy this dip. I'd look to sell all of it, or at least sell 50%, because if I buy a trade, if I get into a trade and it doesn't do what I want it to do, I exit quickly. And I think that is one of my biggest edges. Okay, GRT, yeah, as long as, so people that are looking to buy GRT, as long as GRT BTC is holding this 750 level, it's not too bad, but it's not really my favorite setup. Any questions, any altcoins that you guys want me to look at? So I'll share with you an altcoin that I really like and I've been trading quite well is SNX. This coin I've been trading since less than $6 and I think this will go up a lot higher. So, you know, people ask me which coin to buy. This is a coin that I really like. Few people are staking SNX as well. EOS, yeah, I'll have a look at EOS. And if you guys were in the live stream again, I didn't buy it, so I'm not claiming glory, but you should be looking to get in on these dips. So SNX, you'll see that I've been longing since 7K, $7, $8 I've been looking, and I've been updating this. If you click on it, you can see when I've been posting it, where I'm long. This is where I'm long Bitcoin. This is where SNX broke out. I bought SNX since $6 SNX I've been getting long, and I still like it. As long as SNX is above, you know, I would say $10, I think SNX could be heading to 15, a lot higher, let's just say. When I get in a trade like this, I just try to let it run. So that's great, Rocko, you made money, but what now? What now is I'm looking at the SNX BTC chart. If SNX BTC can get a 4-hourly close above 3,700, 3,800, this red zone, if we get a 4-hourly close above, and SNX gets USD is above, you know, SNX USD stays above $12 and a $14 close, I would buy SNX. That would be my SNX plan. And Bitcoin, and even, you know, if you're looking to buy dips, please still make sure that you're mostly off profit. That's what I will say, or at least have stop. Because I know this dip got bought up, but you know, if you're all in again and no stop and it starts dumping, be careful with that, because we don't know whether the top is 40k or whether the top is 50k. My job is to, you know, I'm happy with the money I've made, and I'm actually, now I said I was FOMOing whether to sell. I sold Bitcoin at 20k that I bought at 10k, and that was my plan, that I was going to sell half there, and it was quite sad, but you know, I stuck to my plans, sold at 40k. If it goes to 50k, I'll sell some more, and then the rest I'll just hold. That rest of the bag I'll just hold to 100k or 1 million, whenever. So that's one of the coins that I like. Let's have a look at RSR. RSR, a few people in the group are in long RSR, and it's looking good. You know, when it broke out of 3 cent, I posted about it. It looked amazing. It broke out. It pulled back into the 4-hour zone. It's pushing higher. I want to see it hold this moving average. RSR BTC isn't as good. RSR BTC needs to break out of 140. So I'd missed the RSR breakout. Again, I only take few trades. I trade Forex as well. So I missed this pullback here. People, the members in my group, I think quite a few people in our group bought it. And now you try to ride it, you know, move your stops up, take half off, 75% off, try to ride it. And I'd look to buy more RSR. If RSR BTC breaks out of 140 level, I would look to buy more RSR. That's my RSR trading plan. We can have a look at Theta. Theta, I mean, I still have Theta, and I'll share with you a trading lesson on Theta for me. So I long Theta at 80 cent, and you can see that. Luke, I've done a big piece on XRP at the start of the live stream. I think it was around the 20-30 minute mark. A few people asking about XRP. So Theta, I've been trading this live on YouTube. Have you seen my YouTube videos? So who asked for Theta? Jasmine, Joseph, have you seen my Theta videos? I'll do a link next. Zcash, Zilliqa, yeah, I'll have to do Zilliqa. Okay, I don't know, but if you watch my Theta videos, you'll see when I long Theta, I sold half at $1. That was my plan. Sold a bit more at 150, a bit more at 2. I've got 10% left, and I just left that. But unfortunately, Theta BTC got slaughtered. So against Theta USD, I'm still up quite a big, about 130%. But Theta BTC, unfortunately, I'm down. So if I stole my Theta and got into BTC, that would have been better. So I'm seeing what Theta does now. If Theta starts breaking down again, I'll sell that rest of the 10%. And same as Zilliqa, I'll rest of that position as well. EOS, I'll quickly do EOS before I look at Link next. EOS, I mean, someone actually sent me a message in the group. They bought EOS at $3 and asked me what my thoughts on it. I'm not trading EOS. Moonshot low cap gem. There's a couple that I have. I'm not sure if I can share all of them. I've shared one SNX that I'm longing a lot. There's 3 small cap coins that I'm buying a lot, but again, they could go to 0 or they could do something crazy. I don't know. But yeah, $4 is huge resistance. So someone bought in at $3. I said I'd sell, 75% or even more than that at $4. If EOS breaks out of $4, that's when I'll be, looking to get in on a pullback. But at the moment, I'm not really a huge fan. I think there's some bad news. Oh, awesome. Joe, Jasmine, congrats for making money on that. EOS BTC. I just don't like EOS BTC, and I've heard bad news on EOS. I think someone signed. Was it Dan? He's saying he stood down from his position in EOS. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that. IOTA used to be a long-term. Yeah, I think what do you call it? That used to be a really big coin back in the day. The IOTA. I used to trade that back in the day. BAT is a coin that I like, but it's not really been giving me anything. It's been quite unfortunate. BAT's not been giving me much at all. DH Acro Police. Is that a coin? I think DH has been here since start of the live stream. Let me have a look at. Or is it Acro Please? Acro Police? Is it Acro you mean? I mean, is this a new coin on Binance? Again, I've got no plan for this. I can't really technically analyze this. It's only a few weeks it's been trading. So all I can do is I'll just draw 2 lines on this. I have to draw a zone up here. If it breaks above this, buy it if you like it. It breaks below this, you sell it. Simple technical analysis, 2-minute technical analysis. And most people think that technical analysis is about, buying and selling and all of that. Technical analysis is great, but it's more about trading. It's more about execution. You could spend hours learning everything. Elliott waves, flow, every little thing. I love DOT as well. I'm long DOT. I'll keep that secret, by the way. Pucho, hey Pucho, hopefully you're well, my friend. TRX, let's have a look at TRX for Pucho. Gold and silver is going to be really interesting. I really want gold. I know Pucho trades gold. Gold, I want it to get back above 1920 or look to get in, 1800. Maybe I'll look for another trade, Pucho, for next week. And silver needs to get back above 26 before I jump in again. I traded this, I'll trade that again. Let's have a look at TRX for you, brother. I'll do after TRX. I'll do link. And apologies, there's about 100 people watching. I'll try to answer. I'll do another one. I've got 13k likes. 13 likes less than 100 likes. If I get 13 more likes, I'll do another free live stream on YouTube next month. And again, if you're interested in 3 to 4 live streams a week, check out the group. You also get access to the Telegram group and the strategy videos as well. So let's do TRX for Pucho. Where's TRX gone? So TRX BTC, there's not much technical analysis that I can do. There's one key zone is this, 40 to 20 Satoshis. If it comes into there, I would look to maybe buy some. I think Justin Sun will do another final attempt to pump it. Again, fundamentally, I don't know too much. I'm not a huge fan of this. So there's not too much analysis to say there's no support level. This was my bull bear line when it broke it. I'm not a huge fan of it once it broke it. It's just been going down, 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 down. If it holds this level, it bounces from it, I'll look to jump in. If not, I'll just have to wait. And again, another thing is, if there's about 100 people watching, if there's any of you, has been trading for ages, got 6 to 7, 5 years trading experience, crypto trading experience, or a lot about crypto for like 10 years, you've been hodling your mind, message me, I'd love to connect with you guys. Let's build a group, let's build a community. So, yeah, message me. So Tron, Again, that's my Tron update. 40 to 20 or above there. At the moment, this is just below, going down and down. If the 4-hourly trend change, daily trend change, I might look to jump in. Otherwise, I'll just be waiting. But if we look at Tron USD is not bad. I remember taking a trade in Tron. Ren is quite good. Again, Tron USD as well is just sideways. It's been sideways for how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. It almost inside bars as well. Yeah, it's not, according to my strategy, I can't really trade it. I'll rather stay away from it. There's so many coins. SXP was a very FOMO coin. I had loads of messages, and at the moment, I'm looking. I'll share a trade setup in XSP soon in the group, or maybe I'll make a YouTube video when it sets up. At the moment, it hasn't set up, but I'm looking for a potential setup in this. But XSP BTC has been absolutely slaughtered. Yeah, I don't like coins like this. I want to see a big breakout before I jump in this. XSP could be setting up. I'll post about this. Link, sorry, I forgot Link. Let me do Link. Apologies. I said after TRX, you get so many comments, I get distracted. I'll be making a video for you. I made a video at the start of last year, my Bitcoin trading and investing strategy. I'll make another video, and those videos, no one watches those videos. The most important video, you would have made the most money, is this video. It's only got 740 likes. These videos see 9k likes, 9k watches. It's absolutely crazy. Let's do Link. Link is another very popular coin. So Link, 50,000 Satoshi is a very, very key level. You could buy this support if it comes in. I shared this support level before. This was the buy level I shared with stop loss below. It's held that. For me, what I would say is if Chainlink gets above 50,000, and not just a spike, if it's a spike you can close or wait for a pullback, that's when I'd look to buy Link. It is coming into a buy zone, as you guys know. I shared with you these two lines, 36,000, and I said, this is a very, very big support level. We've seen Chainlink high time frame. It really likes to have rallies, pullbacks like this. I think this sort of a pullback in Chainlink we could be getting at least a rally, potentially a lot more. So I will be watching Chainlink for a move here. I really like Chainlink. Fundamentally, I talk about fundamentals, but this is a massive FOMO coin, and I'm sure lots of people will jump in this if it starts pumping. Chainlink USD. So my plan to buy Chainlink would be, you could look to just buy some now with that BTC stop loss I shared. I'll write a written post in the group for you guys tomorrow. What I would look, if Chainlink is above $20 and Chainlink BTC breaks out of that key zone that I shared, 50,000 Satoshi, I'd buy Chainlink. I need to make a YouTube video on Chainlink, don't I? There's so many price prediction videos to make. I think this month will be just this one line price prediction videos. But I'm going to drop that video as well. I'll drop it in the like I said, there will be a altcoin trading, altcoin season template or something. I'll release that to mid this week at some point in the group. And I'll also make a how I would invest $1,000 or something like that. Just mainly what I'll say is make sure you're hodling BTC. That will be one of the main things I say in that lesson. Okay, any last? I've been talking for an hour. Again, if you have enjoyed it, guys, please smash that like button. Like I said, almost 100k likes in the live stream. If I get 100k likes, there's still 100 people watching. It would be amazing. I'll do another free live stream on YouTube maybe next month. And again, if you want to watch a lot of these live streams, comment below or check out the group out. This month is last month. You still get access to all of that. So there's a special offer. You get access to the group, the Telegram group, for still at $29.99 to check us out. You won't get that trial offer after this month, so you can check it out if you are interested. If not, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button. I keep saying 100k, don't I? I just want Bitcoin to get to 100k. Any last questions before I shoot off, guys? Any last questions before I shoot off? Link BTC, my best trade in Link BTC. Chainlink BTC, I think this is one of the Chainlink and VeChain and XRP, those three coins. Thank you very much, Maverick. Really appreciate that. I've spent about 10 minutes on XRP at the start of the live stream, about 10 minutes, or about 20 minutes in, 30 minutes in. Yeah, Chainlink USD, this is one of the coins I've been trading since. This is funny. Whenever I make a good call on YouTube, lots of people join, and again, the market that is, lots of people are joining now. And then when the market's quiet, when Bitcoin, we're longing Bitcoin since 10K, only, 10 people trading, and now everyone's trading. This is how the markets work. So that's why I'm just focusing more on trading at the moment rather than the group stuff. Yeah, I've done Theta as well. So Chainlink, I've been trading since here. This was my first Chainlink buy. And that was one of the live calls on YouTube. That was an amazing trade. And I said, now, if Chainlink comes into $5, I'll buy your Chainlink. I'm not saying it will. If it comes into here, I will buy your Chainlink. I'll finish off with Rovin, who's asking this question. So I don't think you've been trading for a while, Rovin. So this... Thanks, Veronica. Thank you all for watching. You've been listening to a random guy on the internet for an hour. I really appreciate you. Each and every, if you're just watching, it's the first video you just watched, thank you. Hopefully you join us. Or if you've been following me since 2-3 years ago, and you've taken my course, part of the group, thank you very much. Again, I appreciate all of you. Thank you all for watching. It really means a lot to me, and I try to be quite professional as well. People wait and watch whether I'm busy. I've got some stuff going on in my personal life I need to go sort out, but I try to always stick to my plan and get some videos out for you. Band, I want to review Band myself. I like Band. I wanted to keep that to myself, but Ad, I don't know what that means, by the way. Ad, I'll have to ask my girlfriend what that means. I don't know what that means. Thanks, Marcus. Yeah, Band actually not done what I wanted it to do. Yeah, I don't like it, Band. Someone messaged me about Band, so I was interested. Yeah, I can see why Band USD is interesting. This was the 4-hour breakout pullback, but it's not bad. As long as it's above $7, it's not bad. But yeah, BTC is not my favorite. I just don't want it to be a spike. Yeah, same. The live streams in the group we had, I had a really amazing live. I think, are you the same, Marcus? We had an amazing video last week with Marcus. We talked about, I might release that on YouTube. We talked about the chronicles of crypto trading from 2017, all the scams, the ICOs. And that's why I said, if there's any experienced people that want to check us out, let me know. I'd love to connect, because trading can be lonely. You guys are amazing. Can I get 3 more likes before I shoot off? Loop ring. Let's do loop ring. Can I get 3 more likes? I'll do loop ring, I'll do Bitcoin, and then I'll shoot off. So loop ring, this was a buy zone that I shared in the group. It pumped from this buy zone, but yeah, I'm not buying this one. I want to see a trend change or something. This is a very pumpy coin. So my next setup is here. It's holding this level. If it gets below it, maybe buy at 20 cent or above there. 104 likes. Awesome. Yeah, it's Marcus, isn't it? Awesome, Marcus. So yeah, if it breaks out this trend line, breaks out above this, I'll look to buy it. And LRC BTC, I need to add this coin to my watch list, because this coin always seems to pump, and I've not traded this as well as some of the other coins. So I need to add this to my watch list so I can advise you guys better. Yeah, it's 100k, 100 likes, 100k likes. I keep saying 100k, don't I? 100 likes. LRC BTC is not that great, so I'm gonna be waiting. And this is a buy. This is just by the support level I shared. I didn't take this. I'm not gonna claim glory that I'm this genius guy. But again, if you had bought this one, I would have sold most 50%, 77%. 100k. But this was just a buy the support setup I shared in one of the live streams. Okay, let's do Bitcoin and then I'll shoot off. So I think someone asked about buying Bitcoin. So if you've not got any Bitcoin, buy some Bitcoin now. It could go to 100K, it could go to 10K, I don't know. I love Bitcoin. You guys probably know how much I like Bitcoin. I don't want to just, give, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing what I'm doing. I could lose all my money and all of that stuff. People call me crazy. I think I was really new on YouTube when I made that call of buying Bitcoin at here. And Bitcoin went down about 30%. People, I had some horrible emails that came through. And that was one of my best trades. I just said, I'm just going to hold this. I'm going to hold this, I'm going to sell at 6K, and I'm going to sell at 10K. That was my plan. And that was one of my best trades in 2018, 2019, which were a very difficult year. I didn't make much money. You don't make money when, markets like this. You make money when the market's like this. So again, the way the market is, it's an opportunity of a lifetime. If the market dips and you join my group, you lost money. If the market just goes sideways, I can't make money if the market goes sideways. Market has to give you opportunities, and that's really important. You wait 3 years for a bull market like this, and that's when you go very, very aggressive. So that's my plan from a trading point of view. Again, this dip, I had a plan that I was going to buy a dip towards this red zone. This is what I shared. It didn't really give me it, and I missed it. This is the dip that I did buy. I shared exactly where I bought it. Rewatch this video. For now, I would look for a trade above 42K, so you can buy 10% now. If you have if you want to buy Bitcoin, $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, buy 1,000 now. If you get a breakout here, pull back, I would look to buy some. I'd have my stop loss below here, but if it starts getting 36K, I'd be worried. Or above 42K, just long it. I feel crazy buying any Bitcoin at 42K, but from a trade point of view with stop loss, I'm happy to pump it. I don't know how high it will go. I think it's coming. I think 50K 2618 Fibonacci could be the next target. And if we have a blow off top, as you guys know how it tops, then we'll see how it plays out. So again, thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, Veronica. Lots of love to everyone that's been watching. Again, if you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, you can check out the group. If you have any question, email me, let me know, and then smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you all for watching. Take care, guys. And already that group members, I'll try and do a live stream tomorrow for you, and then a quick live stream update tomorrow, and then back to our usual analysis from Tuesday, Thursday, the live streams I usually do. So I'll see you guys then. And yes, I've been trailing stops. I've got stops, but again, I don't share stops exactly on here, but I've got some stops level from Bitcoin. It depends on where you bought Bitcoin, but that's what you do. So you keep moving stops up. This dip, I've got my stop below here. This dip that I bought from one trade. Thank you very much, guys, and take care. I'll see you guys soon. Good night.